Painting Sky and Water, Wiping Off and Washing Out. Video lesson by Vladimir London.
In this video lesson, you'll discover how to paint sky and water using the wiping off and washing out techniques.
Here is the artwork that I will achieve by the end of this lesson. The inspiration for this artwork is the beautiful skyline of Venice. It is just before sunset, there are some clouds in the sky, and the colours of the scenery are both cold and warm. Of course, the main focus will be not on the architecture, but on the sky and water. I start by pre-mixing a warm colour for the imprimatura. I am using cadmium yellow and a carmine paint made of red pigment PR170. This mix of yellow and red gives us a nice-looking orange colour, which I will use to cover almost the entire sheet of watercolour paper. I apply this mix with a soft mop brush from Escoda. It is a great brush for such a wash. I add a little bit of the madder red lake paint to make the colour of the sky, which is closer to the horizon, slightly warmer. I have left a white unpainted area in the middle of the artwork. This will be the place for the sun. I continue using the same orange mix to paint the seawater. I do this with horizontal brush strokes, leaving white gaps of unpainted paper between them. Such brushstrokes are shorter and thinner closer to the horizon, and bolder and longer on the foreground. I pre-mixed the Payne's Grey and Indigo paints from Winsor & Newton to obtain a dark blue colour. Here is one good rule. If you are using wiping off and washing out too often, it may indicate that you are not using other painting techniques to their full potential. Here is the finished artwork. You can see that wiped-out sun rays are not overpowering this picture, but are instead a rather nice feature of this painting.